Okay, so things I don't understand, like that scenario, like that scenario. So let me explain with the paint. Paint. So in our relative, family, my relative that we don't need to call his name. So basically, he's doing nothing. So basically, he's doing nothing. So far from so far, I can recall it in memory. He done any work it? No, I can't even recall when did he last done any job, actual real job. For that one, I have no idea. Although I am giving respect to him. So, and one more thing, suddenly he asked me it in complaining me, you are not respecting me or anything. So I asked him, okay, what's the problem for you? And he suddenly say, you were in like that, you are not I don't know how to say in English. Sinhala we say kakala udadagana inna, like that. So how can I say if you put like that, like you are keeping like that. So like that. So he said, oh, why are you are not respecting like that? Okay, I'm not saying I'm not respecting him. I'm saying you are not acting like you are worth of my respect. That's one. That's the what I try to say to him. Every time he seeing me, you are zero. You are zero, man. You are zero. You are big zero. So like that. I'm not angry about him, so angry with him or anything. He said, okay, you are big zero. Hey, me. So I'm a IT professional, I study IT. So I said, okay, so nowadays I'm not doing mobile repairing, IT work, anything. I just nowadays, that means today, so what's the day? February 6, 17, like that. I focusing on more focusing on financial independence. So on last time I lost a job. From that day until now I had a job. So I still focusing on financial independence. I just starting more than 4 months. I think 4 months. Starting investing in stock market, learning stock market like that. I don't have time to focusing on other kind of thing or like that repairing things. He said, oh, you are not earning something, you are big zero, big fucking big zero. So okay, I'm not angry with him or anything, so I'm telling him, okay, I'm zero, it's not a problem for me. So the bothering me, why every time he seeing me he say, oh, you're big fucking zero. So I'm not angry with him. I didn't say anything, so argue with him or anything. I didn't make him angry. He just marking on my size. So like that. Oh, you're always eating. You're always eating. But let me clear one thing. One thing simple. So I am earning. It's not up to him. So he's not my parents or anything. So it's simple one of our relative. So I don't understand about that one also. And another thing, his children. First, okay, let me clear one. I'm not telling him, I'm not respecting him. He is not worth of my respect. That's why I try to explain to so far the thing I don't understand. So even his children also not respecting him. I think his wife alive, but they are from now I'm at 32 single. So far I can't even recall his wife like that. So who is I never seen his wife. So I thought it's dead recently. One maybe 3 weeks ago, I just find out, okay, his wife is alive. I explained to one guy, oh, his wife is dead because he's alone with 2 children in Makon, like that area, Makon area. So they are married, they have happily married, they have 2 children. They're earning not a okay, respectfully, they're earning. So even though they are telling, oh, my son are really educated, my sons are really like that, giving respect to others, elders, like that. Okay, it's your children. Okay. So after 3 weeks ago, I just learned his wife is alive. I never seen his one of our close relative, one of our close relatives. So I don't know what's the problem with them. So I asked around and I find out, okay, it's a problem on him. So I thought, okay, let me clear something first. Even his wife also not even his wife also not respecting him. So his children also not respecting, even I never seen so on God and on God. I never seen their children. Maybe I seen 2 or 3 times, but I can't even recall their faces. So I never recall. So like that kind of relationship with him and his children, his wife, like that. But he's talking like that. He's a really good guy. He's well educated. He know everything. Dumbass. Even though he's believing in our country is a corona is a fake, like that mentality. So I said, okay, whole world afraid about the COVID. You are very intelligent. Keep up with your buddy. So yesterday night, Tarki getting heated. He is escorting me. You are not training. So, okay, I said I am trying to finance independent stock market. So stock market in Sinhala we say Vilanda Pola. Pola mean market. So he suddenly asking, okay, you can buy any 1 kilo rice, like that. Okay. So I said, okay, what the hell, man? He don't even know what the stock market, Vilanda Pola. So I thought, okay, what a point. Nowadays, I just try to get a good TikTok recording from him, like the just secret recording. It's the I really I'm not telling him I'm not respecting, so he is not worth of my respect. So like that, we have other relative, his brother. I'm listening what he's saying. So he's next to our home. His sister son is like another brother. We call, yeah, another brother, cousin maybe. We listen him. So they are doing work. They are hardworking. Their children they are respecting. Their wife with them, our hometown they are respecting. Okay, they are doing religious work. Okay, but him who I mentioning, that thing I don't understand about him. So every small, his age is I think more than 50, but he hang with the people only less than my age. I think uh, 18, 19, like that guy. His children, that guy children also has a children. That means he has a grandson. Even though they are only visiting 6 months, like that. I heard about that before. I just get the full picture. I just need to get the conclusion about that one. So see, every 6 month, once or 6 months, maybe once or like a once in a blue moon, they are coming and visiting like that. Even their grandchildren, he can't see. So that kind of person, he just telling me, oh, you are big zero. So you educated worst, you waste your education like that. I think that's a bothering me. But I mean, I'm not usually getting upset with this kind of idiots. So I only bothering why he not uh, say any good word about me, not helping like that. Even before I went to the abroad, I heard about that news. I thought we are really hope he's doing like that work. So we are really disappointed. That time I don't have any good understanding what to say like that. Nowadays, okay, and nowadays after I lost the job, nowadays I'm not waiting for the opposite. I just said, okay. I said last night, if you need respect, you die. I come and I'll pay my respect, and even I rotate for 3 times, and I say goodbye. So like that. So he get more angry. So he's just shouting, 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 non-stop shouting. So I made some videos like that. So when I see him, when I for last year 16 to today, so today 17, I don't have a job. So when I eating that time, I just is mentally my effect. Okay, in future I'm going to be like him, because like that I just maybe that's why I'm not giving respect to him like that. So I'm not disrespecting him or anything. So try to understand that one first. I'm not respecting him. I'm not disrespecting him like that. I'm not okay when I come here. Okay, uh, greeting or anything. I just go okay, hi, hi, like that. So others, our brothers, our cousin, they are going to hi, how are you? Your health is okay. You are going doing anything. I'm not asking anything. I just go hi, hi, kalas. So I'm not waiting around. Okay, how are you? How do you do? I don't like it. I don't like it. For that, he say he bring up one of the guy, uh, father, uh, brother. Our father, his father, brother. So such two children. They are working on ship. They are in Colombo, so capital. So they also, they are giving respect to him, but there's a younger guy is the same age mine, so he says putting some kind of jewelry in his faces like that. Even that guy seeing me, he just give respect me. I said, okay, respect you are not earned. Respect has to be given. So even you don't know about that. If you act like it, you will receive like it. So I'm not angry with him. So last since last week, I can't even eat I just getting that kind of sickness in my head. Okay, this is the future I am facing on, because I don't have job like so. I just worry about that. So I just keep it make it one video about that, and I don't understand why do I need to get the respect, give the respect. Even if I give the respect to him, it's not going to worth a shit. So I don't understand. So overall, is our relative. In future, if any hard situation, I'm going to defend them. So defend them because of their relative, father, brother, elder brothers like that. Or father is a younger, elder, something like that. Mm, yeah, I not give a shit about it. So from even last night, so I just thought about the okay, what is wrong with him? Why I'm too much thinking about him? He's like look like a nothing to me. So why I getting bothered about those thinking like that? So I thought, okay, let's make it clear one thing. I'm not offended by him, so I'm not disrespecting him. So first thing I need to make it clear, and I need to get it out of from my system. That's why I make it this kind of videos. because I need to get out of from my system. But, and in our hometown, I don't have a really trustworthy friend in our hometown so far. I have friends. Remember that I have friends. I don't have that kind of best buddies like that. I don't know. So far, if there anyone thought about me a best buddy, please inform me. I had no knowledge about that one. I had no idea who is my best buddy. They are my hometown. We are study together. So like that. So if anyone is a best buddy, just inform me. So otherwise, I have everybody, even 99 percentage in our hometown know me, but I knew only few people. So like that situation I'm in right now. So I'm not angry. I just getting fed up. Fed up like that. Okay, it's getting sickness in my head. I can't focus in. I try to focus in some stock. Try to get available power like that. Still, I getting problem. For that, I need to get out of from my system. So that's why I make this one video. So yeah, okay. And this can be awesome. And one more thing. Yeah, I really hate about that. He hang with the small children. It's like his grandchild, like that people he's hang with it. He's not to stay with his wife more than I can safely say 32 years because I never seen their grandchild. He not hanging, right? He not doing any job. So even our hometown people feel making fun of him, making like a short minded like that. So why do I care? So maybe he's telling me every time you are studied but you are fool, but you waste your knowledge like that. Maybe that's why I'm getting fed up with him. So maybe I don't know. But by physical, he can't touch me. But mentally, he just offended by. Affected, not offended, affected by a week maybe. So that's why I thought, okay, I need to rid, get rid of my system. So that's why I thought about that. One thing, one more thing I need to clear last point about them. Okay, let's clear this one. Okay, let's clear last point. So this is him. Okay, think about it, him. Huh? Very happy guy. Up. Okay, very happy. This is his wife. Long hair, nice. Okay, okay, okay. This is his wife. Okay, very happy lady. I never seen. This is her. So that's it. They have two children. One guy, one guy. So far, I know about two children. So and another guy. This is their wife. Okay, that's the hair. That's the body. Okay, that's the hair. That's the body. Okay, sorry. It should be like this. That's the his children. That's the hair. That's the hair. This is their children. That means they are grandchildren. Okay. Sorry about that one. I say like that. This guy little bit old. Think about that. They are children together since they are married. Okay. This guy married from they stay together. They had a children. Their children stay with them. They have a children. They have children. They stay with them. So they are stay together. But I don't know where is our mommy. We call mommy auntie. Our auntie stay. So think about it. They are happy family. They are happy family. Even these people are staying with their wife. They never consider why our parents separated. So more than 30 years. He what the dumbass. He's just doing prostitution something. Allah. I can't even think about how he survived like that 32 years. So far, I know it's the 32. How he survived for 32 years without seeing his wife. How goddamn dumb ass. Even is I don't understand. But how we can get um, what we call talk with the decent talk with him. See, that kind of short minded. So think about that guy. He never more than 32 years never seen the wife after two children. I never seen that. That's a point. Hold the point. They are happy. These two dumbass never thought about the our auntie, their mom, why they separated. They enjoy with their wife. Mom, dad cannot be enjoyed, so they are separate. They are in I think 50 kilometer apart. They are in 50 kilometer apart. Dumb, dumb, dumb. I I really apologize for about just drawing our auntie like that. For that one, I never seen her. I don't know the story about that one. So I asked her on. So there are nothing wrong with her. So personally, I know him. So for that one, I can guarantee so all the blame on him. So for that one, I can guarantee they are not blaming on our auntie. Everything right. This guy is totally wrong, and their children they don't have any manners. They don't have any discipline to their. Why our parents are divided, separated? We are enjoying with our wife, our children like that. What the hell, man? See, even though he talking about you don't know, you don't have any discipline. You, if you see our like our son, you can't even talk anything like that. He have perfect discipline. What the hell, discipline first. He don't have a parent. He grow without your present. Basically, he like a without father. He grew up his own with his mom, like a KGF movie. I can say there is no problem with their family, and especially her problem. No, everything right. And these two separately, if I say, these are selfish two dumbasses. They enjoy with their family. They are born another baby. I think I thought about coming on the way. I think last one, but they never even thought about to come and see. He don't have a job. He short-minded. Sometimes if you take a hand like that, he's getting angry. Stupid. So he not moving with the old his own age. He's just moving out at 18, uh, 18 to 25 like that. I seen no, I seen most of the people 25 like that, and I never seen his work. God damn. So I can safely say it's not bothering me. I'm not giving respect to him. I think he's not giving respect to him. It's bothering me. He's every time when I see him, you are fool. You are big zero. like that he just mentioned. That's why I just put up. So from today I just get it out of my system. I am happy. Okay, thank you all.